The next variable type I'm going to show you is numbers. And if you come from a programming background, this is the same as an integer. And again, same format, it's variable, the name, and in this example, we might call it SSH port. The type is going to be equal to number. And this one doesn't go in double quotes. And you can see this red squiggly line under the word number. And this is what I was saying about the Terraform plugin. It's really good, but it doesn't support 0.12 syntax. Before, this would have gone in double quotes, but in 0.12 it doesn't. And then we set a value, so we do default equal to, and it's 22. Numbers or integers don't go in double quotes. Up next, let me show you the next variable type. If you want to learn Terraform in depth with hands-on challenges and even get certified, make sure to go to warp-9.com.